Edwards. Wel, chwilio am Perry, ond Bradley sy'n dianc efo'r bel. Kenny o'i flaen o. Ys y gyfle rwan i Jack Kenny gael yr ergyd i mewn ac yndi yn wir. Jack Kenny yn rhoi Cei Connah Lisa Rhwyd. Hannar cyfle gynta'r gêm a mae Jack Kenny wedi rhoi Cei Connah ar y blaen. Franklin ar bas. Trio pasio tu mewn i Williams, mae'n disgyn i Harrington. Williams nôl ar ei draed, sy'n cyfle am groesiad. Oes, i'r postyn pella. Ac oddi ar y llinell. O Disney, oedd efo'r peniad. Ond mae'r bel wedi clirio oddi ar y llinell. Dihangfa i Airbus. Josh Williams. Pas dda gan Williams ag at Franklin. So gyfle am ergyd gan Franklin oes, ond ydi digwiro oddi ar Jack Kenny, ond Harry Franklin sydd yn hawlio y gôl. 17 munud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. Cei Connah 2, Airbus dim. Williams. Slack gan Nash. Ond Bradley yn ennill y meddiant yn ôl at Mendes. Tuag at y postyn pella, ac mae'n dair. George Horan efo'r peniad. Heibio Lewis Dutton yn y gôl. Y croesiad gan Paulo Mendes. Ac siawns mae George Horan wedi sicrhau lle Cei Connah yn rownd gyderfynol Nghwpan Cymru. Gic hir, chwilio am Malkin. Yn diwir mae Joe Malkin yna o flaen. Lewis Dutton yn y gôl o gic hir gan Andy Firth. O lle oedd am ddiffyn Airbus. A Joe Malkin yna o flaen Lewis Dutton i sgorio ei 5yd gôl ym mhob cystadleuaeth y tymor yma. A mae'r prawn yn mynd o ddrwg i waith i Airbus druan. Pas slack gan Thomason. A mae Joe Malkin eiliada ar ôl rhwydo i gol gynta'r pnawn yn sgorio i ail. Wel, be sydd wedi digwydd i Airbus? Y bas gan Thomason. Syth i lwybr. Joe Malkin, a diolch yn mynd i gael 2 goel haws trwy gydol y tymor.
Firthy's kick, it's a bit like Allison, wasn't it? You know, kick it left of the pitch, and then it's a bit of miscommunication that I've capitalised on and then managed to score. And then again, same for the second one. The back pass is a bit short, isn't it? And I've just nicked between the two and managed to get in front of the keeper. So not a bad 5 minutes work, eh?
Last couple of goals in the last sort of 5-10 minutes have, probably put a little bit more gloss on the performance. But I thought the players were excellent today. I thought the way they went about it. It's been a difficult week. We lost the cup final on penalties. Never a nice thing to happen. Long travel in midweek. But the players were right back at it on Thursday. Trained ever so well. And then I thought it was a professional performance today. And obviously we felt like we'd missed a couple of chances. And once we got the second and the third, I think we made the game easy for ourselves after that.
I thought we were excellent first half. We implemented the game plan pretty much to a T. Their goal for me came against a run of play. But then second half we just weren't good enough, and it's probably been the story of the season. Simple mistakes that have led to goals. Those mistakes we don't get in our favour. I feel sorry for our strikers. They don't get the opportunities that teams get against us, and that's not just aimed at the defenders. That's us as a team.